So as you guys see, hold it up to the light. It's real. $100 here. So this is yours.
Thank you, my friend.
Live, we're live, we're live. This time I got a box and also this. I look like a bigger idiot than I would have looked like yesterday. So.
Hey, Arden, how
What's
are
up,
you?
man? How's it going?
How are you today?
Good.
Okay, I just saw your Instagram post. I didn't have time to get to a printer.
Anyway, you get to a printer. That's you know what I mean. That's the only
Stipulation?
Yeah, that's the only stipulation. I gotta get this. He's sprinting. Wow. I said, all right. So I'll let you catch your breath.
My name is Johnny Rhodes. I'm from Dayton, Ohio, and you have some really inspiring videos, man. I take a lot of note from that, and you have such a great influence on the community.
I appreciate that.
My first goal, I'm a huge health person. I love to take care of fitness, and I want to pursue my fitness journey. My second one is that I've been writing a book since about a year now. I don't want to think about writing a book. I actually want to go and write a book. Believe it or not, my third one, I've never traveled out of this country. Wow. Cleveland is my home. Cleveland is where I live, but there's still much to see. My fourth goal, it's always been my dream, as long as I can remember, I love film, games, movies. I love like that kind of entertainment culture. I would love to star in a movie one day.
Is yours?
Thank you, my friend.